Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome oatmeal cream pies. Super simple and delicious. I've always loved eating these growing up, so I'm excited to show you guys this recipe. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by creaming our butter and sugars together. I'm using dark brown sugar and granulated sugar. We're going to mix this for a few minutes. So now we're going to add our eggs one at a time, and also we're going to add our vanilla. Make sure you scrape the side of the bowl after adding each egg. This just helps to get everything incorporated. So now we're going to add our all-purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. If you're using a mixer like I am, you want to mix this carefully. So what I like to do is pulse it a bit until everything is incorporated. So now we're going to mix our oats in, and when that's done getting mixed in, I like to scrape the bottom of the bowl just in case my mixer didn't get all my ingredients at the bottom. So at this point, you guys can use an ice cream scoop or whatever you want, but I like to weigh my dough just to get all of them the same size. So now we're going to bake our cookies in a 350-degree oven for 13 minutes. So now that these beauties are out of the oven, we're going to start on our filling. So we're going to start by creaming our butter for a few minutes. Then we're going to add our sifted powdered sugar and salt. So now we're going to add our vanilla, and also we're going to add our heavy cream. So now that our filling is done, we can now start to assemble our oatmeal cream pies. I like to use a piping bag to fill my oatmeal cream pies, but you guys can use whatever you want. So when filling your oatmeal cream pies, if you're filling it with a pastry bag, I normally like to start with a spiral just to get an even amount of filling. So if you guys end up making these oatmeal cream pies, don't forget to comment down below and let me know how they came out. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!